Oh, hi, I'm Greg Melanson, and this is Behind the Spring. Today, we're going to learn about the people behind the spring. Our team members are our greatest asset, so let's go hear what they have to say. Let's begin. Thank you for joining me here today. First question, what's the coolest process at Vulcan, and what does it accomplish?
So the coolest process at Vulcan, in my belief, is the intertwining process because it is a very manual process. And ultimately, it allows us to achieve extra laminations, which also allows for us to meet high force requirements.
Another question for you. Which of the industries we serve inspires you the most?
I would have to say aerospace, just because of a lot of the high-profile NASA-related missions that we've been involved with. It's definitely cool to see our product out in space, so I'd have to go with aerospace.
Okay, here's a tricky one. How do you think spring making will be different 100 years from now?
This is a tough one, but ultimately I think it would have to be a little bit more automated, just because, as the world continues to innovate, I would have to think that there would be a more streamlined process.
Okay, if you didn't work at Vulcan, what would you do instead?
I would probably be involved with some sort of manufacturing job or something in like the blue collar industry. I think that's what fits the best for me.
We hope you've enjoyed hearing from our team. Thanks for watching.